Welcome to Wealth in Your Sleep, your source for online success. My name is Wes. Today is day 126 of my case study where I'm using myleadgensecret to get ClickBank sales. So if you don't know what these two systems are, I'll link a short video up above. It'll go into a little bit more detail and it'll show you exactly what they are. If you want to access any of my older videos in my playlist, I'll link that playlist down in the video description so you can check those out, see how I've progressed, and then come back here and watch this video and see where I'm currently at. Okay, so first thing I want to do is thank all of my new as well as my longtime subscribers. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of you. If you're new to my channel, I would encourage you to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my new videos when they come out. Okay, so what is My Lead Gen Secret? My Lead Gen Secret is the platform in which I'm getting new leads every single day. I have 12 accounts, so I'm getting 2,400 new leads every single day, in which I can use their internal mailing system to send out one email every single day, and I can load all of those leads with one click. Okay, so I'm leveraging the system. This system has a 5-level referral program. I've referred myself 11 times, so I have 12 accounts and I have referrals underneath each account. And the reason I have referrals underneath each account is so that I can get the bonus leads. So each account you can get 100 leads every single day. And when you get at least one referral, you can start getting 200 leads. So I have 12 accounts. That's 2,400 leads every single day. And then I'm also leveraging the system by referring myself. I'm able to earn those referral commissions up through all of my accounts, essentially making these systems cheaper. And I have enough referrals underneath all my accounts in which I'm getting all of my leads for free at this point. Okay, so if you're following my channel, I'm going to show you how you can leverage it as well. And the way we do that is by consistently promoting or consistently sending out our emails around the same time every day. And we're sending them to offers that promote or that convert really well. Okay, so these are the top offers in ClickBank. And if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a marketplace full of different offers, products, and services through all different sorts of categories in which you can promote and earn commissions from. Okay, and if you have your own products, you can also promote, so affiliates can promote your products and you can pay out commissions when they get sales for you. Okay, so in this case, we're just affiliates. We're earning commissions in which the offers that I'm promoting, I earn 85% commissions. So that's really high. And also, ClickBank offers a 60-day money back guarantee for all of their products and services. So this is another reason why I promote ClickBank products. It gives that guarantee to the leads. If they're not satisfied, they can always get a refund. Okay, so we don't write our own emails. We get our email swipes from the affiliate pages from ClickBank. Okay, really easy to find. You just go to the marketplace and then you go to the category that you're looking to promote. In our case, we're promoting e-business and e-marketing because they are business opportunity leads. And then we can search through, we can sort the results by gravity. And by what that means is when you sort it by gravity, it ranks the best or the offers that are paying the most commissions out. Okay, so they're paying the most commissions out because there's more affiliates promoting them and they're higher converting. Okay, so we can get our email swipes from the affiliate pages as well as banners or product images, videos. They have all the tools you need to promote their products and be successful at it. So if you're more advanced and you have a blog or a website, you can definitely utilize more of the resources on those affiliate pages. And if you opt in, okay, if you opt in at the very top of those pages, you can get a 10% commission bump. Okay, a 10% commission bump, and they will also start sending you their highest converting email swipes on a weekly basis. I've compiled all of those email swipes and I've converted them by adding the name codes from my lead gen secret. So that way when you send out the email, it actually replaces that name code with that subscriber's name. So it's a more formal email. And then On the email swipes, I've added tracking IDs to the end of all of the affiliate links, so that way you don't have to worry about going to the hop link generator page or using the hop link generator or trying to remember how to use tracking IDs. I've added all of those already. All you need to do is just change the very end and you will be able to start tracking where your sales and where your hops are coming from. Okay, so a hop is basically when you link your email, somebody clicks on that link, that triggers hop within ClickBank because it's linked to your ClickBank ID, and ClickBank is able to track all of that activity right to your account. Okay, so I think I went well in depth of explaining it, probably more in depth than my video that I tried to refer you to in the beginning of this video, but no big deal. If you want to see a more a video explanation, go ahead, watch that video, and I actually click through and I show you exactly everything. Okay, so let's just go right into it and see if I got a sale in the last few days. Okay, so I got a sale yesterday, but none the previous few days, and I already reported this sale. Okay, so this sale I got for $28.20. Okay, and before I move on to where I got this sale from, I'm going to show you that I know exactly what my paycheck is going to be for Friday. So Friday, they're going to direct deposit $171.56 straight to my checking account. Okay, so that's really awesome. That's probably one of my better paychecks, probably one of my top 3 or 4 best paychecks. Okay, within ClickBank. So I'm doing whatever I'm doing it good. Okay, because it's converting. So let's go in and see exactly where this most recent sale came from. Okay, so really good news here. It came from my 10th account. So if you've been following my case study for any length of time, you know that my 10th account was the most struggling account um, in the first few months. Okay, so I've changed my campaign. I switched offers for this account, and in doing so, I have seen a change in results positively. So I've actually started getting sales from ClickBank. Okay, so this came from my 10th account from myleadgensecret, and it was a give your feedback email swipe, which leads directly to that job variation landing page. And this email swipe came from an email that I sent on September 12th. Okay, and I got the sale on September 13th. So I sent the email on the 12th. I got the sale on the 13th, so just the day after, and I got an upsell, a bump, and this came from Right App Reviews. Okay, so if you're wondering where it came from, this one converted from Right App Reviews, and it was for the give your feedback swipe. Okay, now let's go into yesterday's hop tracking. Yesterday I got 2,681 hops. So if you've been following me, I track my daily hops so that way I know the interest level. So if I'm getting more and more hops, then, or if I'm at a steady plateau, an even plateau of hops, I know that what I'm doing is working. I have enough interest where people are clicking on my links and my emails, and then I'm able to uh, see how over time doing the same thing will will it increase or will it decrease in my hops. Okay, so as well as changing my campaign. So if I'm offering 2 different offers in each email, does it have a positive or negative effect? And also to make sure that my links are working properly. Okay, so if you don't get any clicks for a certain offer, then your links are probably not working. Okay, so that's a good way to tell, but you should always test before you actually send it out. Okay, so make sure you test it, check in ClickBank that the hop is there with that tracking ID, and then go ahead and send it out. Okay, that's the best way to know. Okay, so now let's get into my tracking. So this is where I dive deep into my tracking. This is going to help you understand how myleadgensecret and ClickBank are going to work for you, and this is how it's working for me. Okay, so I can't guarantee that it's going to work the same way because I don't know the effort that you're going to put into it. I don't know the structure, how you're going to structure your emails, and I don't know your signature and your subject lines. Okay, so there's really no way for me to guarantee that you're going to be able to get the same results. But if you're working hard and improving your email swipes, your readability, and you're making sure that your emails are getting opened and clicked, then you should be able to reproduce what I'm doing. Okay, so this is my history with each account within My Lead Gen Secret. So I do have a prior history, which I've separated from my case study. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I separated it. And the reason I separated it is because I got 6 brand new accounts in May, and I decided to switch from promoting other outside offers to only promoting ClickBank offers. Okay, and in this case study, I've learned so many things. Okay, so that is why it's important to do tracking and to see what your leads and how you've progressed and see what's working and what's not working. Okay, so when I first started out, I had all sorts of setup fees and my increased recurring subscription. So I knew it was going to be hard to get a profit that very first month, but I knew based on other case studies as well as my history and with My Lead Gen Secret that it was going to take about 2 to 3 months to really see a profit or break even. Okay, so breaking even, usually you fall into profit as probably not likely that you'll just break even, um, but I'm sure it happens. But yeah, so I went into profit the second month just for that month, and then in the third month in July, I was actually in total profit. So case study profit as well as my entire history profit, which was really good. It was a really awesome experience to be in the positive and see the system working for me and getting consistent sales. Okay, so lots and lots of sales. So here I am. Last month in August, I got 2 brand new accounts. So I went from 10 accounts to 12 accounts on the 20th, and so I did have an increased. I had setup fees as well as the increased subscription cost. Okay, so when you get started, it's only going to be $60 upfront. That's going to include your setup fee as well as your subscription cost. So after that first month, it's just going to be $30. I recommend at least 2 accounts. That way you can see faster results right away. But if you can only afford 1, that's perfectly fine. I wouldn't really go more than 5 if you're just starting out in email marketing because you're going to have um, a pretty good increased cost. And if you're looking to get that money back immediately, you might be disappointed. And I don't want to encourage you to um, get too many accounts that you can't afford to hold on for a few months before seeing profit. Okay, so this is my honest and transparent opinion. I would say get enough accounts in which you can be okay with not seeing a profit for at least 2 to 3 months. Okay, so so coming into September, uh, I've already received 2 paychecks from ClickBank, so I receive paychecks on a weekly basis as long as I meet the threshold that I set, and my threshold right now is $100. So if I don't meet that threshold, then I don't get a paycheck. So I can set that as low as $10, but I'm getting more and more sales, so I want to make sure that uh, if there is a refund or chargeback, which I have not received any refunds or chargebacks from any of my sales, that the money is there and they can easily pull it back if need be. But so far, I haven't misled any of my leads with my emails. I use the emails in the same context or template that they send it, so that way there's no confusion after people actually buy. There, it's all there. Um, it's not misleading in any way because I've actually just sent exactly what they've sent me. Okay. So far 2 paychecks. My most recent paycheck I've added on here, which I'll be receiving in 2 days, which will be Friday. Now these are my sales. So all of these sales add up in a pay period, which ends on Tuesday at midnight. So that's why I know what my paycheck is going to be because today is Wednesday. Okay. So I've received, looks like I got to add a sale. I totally forgot to add another sale. I did this the last time. Okay, my bad. So I'll add the sale here. So actually I have, I think 5 sales. So I have to add 2 sales here. Okay. And then I've logged into all my myleadgensecret accounts this morning. And so far, this is what I'm able to request. If you've been following me, towards the end of the month, usually around the 24th or 25th or so. That is when I request all my monthly payouts for all the accounts I can. And I do that right on video so that way you can see the process is transparent from me. Okay. And this uh, this income also reduces my expense, which I'll get into here in a few minutes. Okay, which this is the expense. This is how much I've received. So far, I'm only $5 in the hole as far as my expense, but I've well profited over that because I've been receiving paychecks on a consistent basis, as well as I'm able to request all this. So if I request all of these payouts and um, adding my new paycheck, I have a total net income of $682.60, which means I have 189.61% return on investment. Okay. So once it meets 100%, that means I broke even. Anything after 100%, I'm in profit. Okay. I have my total stats right here, as well as my case study only stats. Okay. So, so far in my case study, I've invested $1,860 over the series of looks like 5 months or so, 5 months. Okay. So 5 months, but I've also received $3,022. Okay, so this is way outperformed my expense, which means I am in total case study profit of $1,162.10, which is a 162.48% return on investment. Okay, so here we go. My hop count. This is where I'm tracking my hops. Okay, so I started my case study here in right here. I'm sorry, in May. This is when I got my 5th account, and then this is when I got accounts 6 through 10. So I started my case study on the 9th when I got these 5 new accounts, and I've been promoting ClickBank offers as my main offers ever since. And I've changed up my campaigns to test to see if what I can do to improve my sales, and some things worked and then obviously some things didn't. Okay, so it's good to test and see what works, what doesn't work. Set yourself apart from other people. Okay, so towards the end of last month, I was sending people to my own custom landing pages that I created, my own websites that I created, which initially I had really good interest in, and I even got a sale. But they started to lose interest, so immediately I started to send them straight back to the ClickBank link job variation pages. Okay, and another reason I did that is because I'm better able to track exactly where my sales are coming from. Okay, so they have really good tracking with ClickBank. So why break what's not broken, or why try to fix what's not broken? I think I say that wrong every single time. Okay, so consistently it's been going up and up and up and up. Okay, so yesterday 2,681 hops. All right, now we're gonna jump. Oh, before I do that, I want to go down and I do set goals. Okay, so you should set goals. You should have a plan in place so that way you can strive towards new goals. What's it gonna take for you to get to those new goals? Okay, so last month the goal was 1,200 hops per day. This month I've set in stone that I want to average out 1,500 hops per day. So currently I'm at 1,361 hops. I'm not very far, and if I stay consistent with what I'm doing, I will probably exceed that by pretty far. Okay, and then my next goal is hitting 50,000 hops for the month. Okay, so currently we're about halfway through, almost halfway through, and I'm at 17,699 hops. And then my last goal is to hit 450 YouTube subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my videos when they come out, and then share my videos if you can. That would greatly help my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go into my sales. Okay, so I've been tracking all my sales. So here you can see as I added new accounts, I'm able to track more from the new accounts. So I didn't get very many sales from most of my accounts that very first month because most of your new accounts, you don't have very many leads, okay? And they are permission-based leads, so you're sharing these leads with other people. They are getting emails from other people, so the more consistent you are with an offer, the better, okay? So try to send your emails out around the same time using perfect timing, and then also try to stay consistent with the offers you're promoting, because the more times somebody sees that offer, the more likely you're going to find somebody that wants to proceed with that offer, okay? Excuse me. Okay, and then that next month you can see I got several sales. Even some of my accounts were getting multiple sales, which is really cool. And going into July, I think that's when I decided to switch up my campaign and promote two different offers to the bulk of my accounts. So six accounts I'm promoting paying social media jobs, and four accounts I'm promoting Right App reviews, and it's been going pretty well so far. Okay, so I didn't get a sale from my ninth account last month, and I also didn't get sales from these two new accounts, but I wasn't promoting ClickBank offers, so I wasn't expecting any sales from these two accounts. But yeah, no sales from my ninth account, which was kind of, I might need to change my ninth account to maybe Right App reviews or a different offer, or I might just stay consistent and just keep searching for those interested leads. Okay. So far I've received sales from my third, fourth, sixth, seventh, and 10th account. Okay. So really cool. Most of them having upsells. Okay. And then you might see more than one sale from accounts going forward. So far, total of $236.13 in sales. Now, all of this information that I've already told you helps me formulate my traffic calculator, which helps me understand what what I'm earning, what I'm earning on a consistent basis. What are my conversion rates, my cost per clicks? All of that information is very useful in understanding the quality of this lead source. Okay, so far 5 sales. I've gotten 162 order form impressions. So this means that they have become a subscriber. This ensures me that they've become a subscriber to the vendor and they've been presented that order form. Okay. So this helps me calculate my conversion rate. Okay. And then a total of 13 days reported so far. So September 1st all the way through the 13th, that's 13 days. I'm averaging 1,361 hops per day. And then I'm able to understand by, let's see, 38, 35. So my invested amount per day divided by my average hops, okay? It helps me calculate my cost per click or cost per hop. So that's my cost, so my cost per day, which I'll get to here in just a minute, and divided by my average hops or clicks per day, okay? This helps me understand how much I'm spending on a daily basis. So just under a penny per click, okay? And I'm averaging about 12 order form impressions per day. My conversion rate, so out of the 162 people that have seen my offer, 5 have bought. That gives me a 3.09% conversion rate. I'm getting 0.38 sales per day, so about a sale every 2 to 3 days, okay? And then my average earning per sale is my sales divided by, um, uh, let's see, by the number of sales. So my total amount in sales divided by the number of sales gives me my average earning per sale. Okay. So excuse me if I forget my formulas. It took me a long time to figure all this out, but it's all accurate. I've double checked it against other calculators, so I know this is accurate. And if you have any questions or concerns about it, please comment down below. I'd be happy to address it. Okay, so all of this information and then my hop tracking and accounting helps me break down what I'm really earning per day. Okay, so I'm earning on average $18.16 per day so far this month. Okay, so that's up from the previous month. So far, and this will fluctuate as the month goes on. Okay, so I have 12 accounts. That's a dollar per day per account, which when I subtract what I'm earning per day minus my expense, this gives me a profit of $6.16. So I spend 12 and I make an additional $6.16. Okay, so it's 151.37% return on investment, but that is not the case with my lead gen secret because I am leveraging their 5-level referral program. I'm actually earning commissions back, which reduces my cost, my expense. So so I'm able to take the number that I'm able to request out. So that number, so let me show you. So this, my cost per day is linked to this account, okay? Or I'm sorry, not this account. This what I'm earning on the monthly basis. So as I'm able to request more payouts, I add the numbers here, and then it'll change the number here, okay? So far I'm able to request $355 in referral payouts. You know my expense for all the 12 accounts is $360, so that's only $5 so far this month that it cost me to maintain all 10 account or all 12 accounts, I'm sorry. So that's an average of 17 cents per day that I'm spending. So I'm spending 17 cents per day, which increases my total net earnings per day to $18. So I went from $6.16 to $18. Okay. So it pays you back to refer people to the system. So the ways I do that is I will sometimes a few days throughout the week, I will add hyperlink text in my signature that says, maybe get my lead gen secret, and it'll link it to one of my referral links. And another way to do it is maybe below your signature put PS. If you don't like that, maybe you want to check this out, and you can put a short 2-line ad there with a link to my lead gen secret. So those are 2 ways that I can recommend that you can start getting your referrals. Okay. And when you become my partner and you get started by clicking that first link in the description, I show you 5 ways to get your first referral. Okay. So at this point in the month, I'm able to earn $355, which reduced my cost, increased my real net profit per day, which means I got a 10,898.31% return on investment, okay, per day. This is per day right now, okay? So this will probably become not an expense, and just like it did in July, where I'll actually be earning money per day from my lead gen secret because, as you know, the 5-level referral program, you need at least $30 to request a payout from each account. Some of these accounts take 2 months at this point to request that payout. So um, on those months that I'm able to request those payouts, it will be much higher, like July was. So this month is going higher. So as the month goes on, I'm starting to hit those thresholds and I'm able to request more and more payouts. So that is how I'm leveraging the system. I have all my referrals in each account, and underneath each account, that's how much I'm earning on a monthly basis. Okay. So it totals out to $403. And you remember my expense is $360. So that means I actually have 111.94% return on investment. I'm actually getting free leads, and I'm getting about $43 per month in profit at this point. Okay, so if you want to know how I stacked my accounts using my own referral links, I for my second account, I grabbed my first account's referral link and signed up. Okay, to create my second account, and then I did it a little bit differently for my third and my fourth account. I used my second account's referral link to create both my third and fourth account. I did that because I knew I was going to have 10 accounts total, and you can see right here um, I have I can earn through all 5 levels for my first 10 accounts all the way up to my very first account. So all my commissions from these accounts I receive all the way up to my first account. Okay, so now if these actually get referrals though, I won't see those referrals to this account. Okay, just my own referrals up to my 8th and 10th account um, come up here. And then these 2 new accounts, instead of going sideways and complicating things, I just stacked it right underneath my 8th account. Okay, and then if I get 2 more accounts, I'll probably just stack them underneath my 10th account. So that way it's consistent and so yeah, so I don't know that I'm going to get more than maybe 14 accounts. I think I might just leave it there at 14 and then just let time um, um, see if I'm going to increase my monthly outcome. Okay, but if it does or doesn't, I will just leverage the money that I am getting it to put into other resources. So maybe uh, more costly paid traffic. Okay, so that is how I'm leveraging this system, and I've been tracking it on a monthly basis. So I definitely encourage you to refer people to the system. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my videos when they come out. If you're looking to get started with My Lead Gen Secret and join my team, get all access to all my bonuses, so that way you don't have any questions on your formatting, on what offers to promote, how to get your first referral, then click that very first link in the video description, sign up, send me an email, wes@wealthinyoursleep.com. I'll ensure that you get access to your bonuses. If you have any questions, you will have my contact information. You can reach out to me anytime and I can answer your questions. If you need one-on-one help, I can certainly provide that when I'm available. And and that really is it for my video. So thank you so much. I will see you in my very next video. Have a great day.